Tonight, North Carolina's Outer Banks under a state of emergency and starting to feel the early effects of Hurricane ERIN.
Folks on the coast need to take care.
Dangerous waves already pummeling Lower Hatteras Island with more storm surge and tropical storm force wind to come. The combination posing a real threat to this oceanfront motel. 96-year-old Carol White Dillon is worried her 70-year-old business could be crippled by the storm.
I'm worried about losing my beach houses, yes, because they're the money makers.
And you think that's a real possibility this time?
Well, I'm hoping not, but it's possible.
Local officials bracing for the life-threatening impacts. An overwhelming storm surge could make the only highway off Hatteras Island impassable. If these roads wash out, lives and livelihoods are on the line.
We're looking at how we can quickly get back up and running because this is also our tourist season, and this is where we make our money for the winter.
Video from the International Space Station showing ERIN's massive size, hundreds of miles across, putting the whole East Coast on high alert.
These are life-threatening rip currents. You should not be in the water.
Fueled by those dangerous rip currents, many beaches have banned swimming along the eastern seaboard.
This is Mother Nature in her fury.
On the Jersey Shore, early signs of ERIN starting to appear as officials warn residents to take it seriously.
It will leave its mark, and we will feel the effects in the neighborhoods, and it'll probably take some real estate with it as well.
Farther north in Maine, rough surf visible. Back in North Carolina, the time to leave the evacuation zone has passed. The holdouts now leaning on their preparations and hope. So you feel pretty safe?
Well, I would never leave. Let's put it that way.
And with that, ERIN Gilchrist joins us tonight live from Kill Devil Hills, North Carolina. ERIN, get our viewers up to speed here about where exactly Hurricane ERIN is right now and the path.
Well, Tom, we are starting to really feel and see the effects of Hurricane ERIN here. The tropical storm warning remains in effect here. That storm is still several miles off the coast. We expect it to move up the East Coast tonight and tomorrow before turning out to sea Friday and Saturday. We know that it is not going to make landfall here, but beach conditions we do expect will be difficult for anybody who might try to get too close to the water. It's going to be a major water event. We're talking about coastal flooding. We're talking about storm surge and other conditions here at the beach.